Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Folks, how you doing today? So continuing with our James Vandemon's sculpted artwork, as you see, or if you've been watching, we listed 3 other pieces today, and a couple of them are in the background, as you see. This happens to be my favorite one of the 4 that we got. These were done in the early 90s, and James Vandemon was a prominent pinstriper, sculptor, artist, very, very creative guy here. Came from sunny Southern California, had no art degree whatsoever, but was able to do these sculptures, and I might say he did a beautiful job. Out of all of them, I like this one. This is our little Martian guy. This blue, I have no clue how he did this blue, but this is like a soft rubber coating, which is very interesting. It almost feels Martian-y like, right? As well as we have him hovering here. Nice big head, single eye. Jeff, come on around here, we'll show him. The reason he's kind of hovering in the air is he's got twin jet packs on, which is super cool. These are nice twin jet packs. This is primarily made out of fiberglass. This is all fiberglass. I don't know that there's another one in the world. I don't think. Nobody's ever told me, or we looked, we can't find any other sculptures of the same exact one. I'm thinking it's a one of a kind. You see he's tall, he's taller than me, he's probably 5'10", rubber suit, green, just a super, super cool piece. What a nice trade sign this would make if you put it in your store window, whatever it may be, motorcycle shop, toy store, whatever. And if you put him in your window, and you as small town America, you put a spotlight up on him, left him on all night, I guarantee you there won't be anybody in town that won't know your store. So it's a great trade sign. Also, if you were into the space, Martian thing, this is very cool. You can only imagine how much time it took to build this piece. Super cool.
How about for an eye doctor?
Yeah, eye doctor, optometrist, right? Put some glasses on it. One big eyeglass. Anyway, listen, thank you folks for watching our videos. We always appreciate it. And if you buy this, we'll get it all wrapped up and shipped out to you ASAP. Anyway, thanks a lot.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.